tell me everything that's good will end. You were building castles in the air, but they fell to the ground, there was nothing there. You said you'd never get so close again. And lately it's yellow lights and you're breaking. You say you just wanna wait and see it all unfold. But baby, when you find what you're seeking, something you can't believe in, you just gotta go. So let's not take it slow. Let's not take it slow. I don't wanna take it slow. Let's not take it slow. I can never get enough. I'm sitting outside your door. I'll give you everything you need, sunshine, the world, and all your dreams. So what are we waiting for? Oh, but lately it's yellow lights and you're breaking. Say you just wanna wait and see it all. When you find what you're seeking, something you can't believe in, you just gotta go. So let's not take it slow. Let's not take it slow. I don't wanna take it slow. Let's not take it slow.
Бүгін ең жақын құрбы қызым Нуркамалдың бүгін бактылуу күндөрүнүн бири. Себеби Нуркамал бүгін өз сүйүүсүн таап, турмушка узап жаткан учуру. 2 жашка каларыбыз, ден соолук, бактылуулук каалайбыз.
Султан Нурка ушоңор бек болсун.
Lately it's yellow lights and you're breaking. Say you just wanna wait and see it all unfold. But baby, when you find what you're seeking, something you can't believe in, you just gotta go. So let's not take it slow.